For years we've lived here. They don't know me yet. Went over to my neighbor's house once. Kid you not. Was kind of casually mentioned the dogs, you know. She said, "Oh, they make a lot of noise, but they're just sweet as can be." Did you see how sweet as can be they are? I nearly lost a finger trying to give one of them a begging strip through the fence one day. They are vicious little 4-pound monsters.